Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Fiddler and immediately enabling capture. This routes traffic through the proxy so you can inspect requests live. You must trust the Fiddler root certificate to decrypt HTTPS, so follow prompts and install it into the system store. Once done, set your browser or system proxy to Fiddler's port, usually 8888, so traffic starts appearing. Make sure to close other proxy tools first. They can block Fiddler from listening. Now you'll watch the sessions list populate and use inspectors to open a request. Headers explain auth and caching, bodies reveal payloads. Use filters to focus on a host or method so you don't get overwhelmed. If you need to test changes, use Composer to craft or replay a request, modify headers or body, send it, and compare responses. This helps you verify fixes quickly. Also, set breakpoints if you want to pause and edit traffic on the fly. To finish, save your session as a SAS file so you can archive or share findings with teammates. This preserves full request and response data. Once saved, use autoresponder to mock endpoints and validate client behavior without a backend. If requests stop appearing, check that Fiddler still has the trusted certificate. Ensure your firewall or VPN isn't blocking port 8888, and verify no other proxy is active. If that fails, restart Fiddler and your browser and try capturing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.